Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I talked Air Malta online check-in system, how to check Air Malta. So Google Chrome browser open here, then typing Air Malta, Air Malta, MALTA web check-in, then enter here. Then first link is the my Air Malta check-in website link. So click here this link. This is Air Malta website. So first page is a checking option showing. This is checking page. Many options showing. So book my flight booking, manage my flight schedule. So checking option to booking reference means PN number, last name. Additional option showing ticket number and last name. PNR not necessary. E-ticket number and last name. E-ticket number not your ticket option. PNR number showing. So PNR number typing here, last time typing here, then charts. Then your many update here, passenger update details entry here, then finally your boarding pass download here. Thank you all everyone. Thank you.